Hi there, amazing people. I hope the last video helped you guys and you are here with far more better energy and a mindset. So, today I'm helping you guys to plan out your days or weeks and make sure you get the things done because it's a plan to plan. So, basically, whenever you try to schedule your things or make routines, there are three things that matter the most. And that's how you get everything done without falling into exhaustion. So the strategy should be dependent on three things, which are the most important. Number one being time taken, the second is speed, and the third is approach because everybody else is different. So approach being the topmost priority, then time, and then speed. Now imagine this as a race. Everybody is different, but the point is to only reach the finishing line. There are people who are really focused when they do things, and that's why they get the things done and then take a break. Then there are struggling people who take breaks and do things, and then the third one who just procrastinate. Whichever category you are, it doesn't matter because obviously you know yourself. So you are going to make sure that every task is divided as per what is the most toughest for you and what is the easiest. This is called the divide and conquer theory, according to me. Like, that's how I do things. So divide everything into four categories or five, whichever you think, on the scale of one to five being the highest or the lowest, and then try to do it. How to make your time chart according to that is the most important. Divide things as important or as fast, then time taking, and third one, which are not too important and can be delayed, something like searching for something or just anything. And then divide your time according to these three categories. After that, make sure that whatever you do is divided throughout the day. Like the mornings are golden time because that's when you get the least disturbance. So make sure you use those things. Or maybe the late evenings. Like this is what I usually do. So I help it. But the third one obviously depends on you, whichever works for you, which time of the day is the best one for you. Make sure you don't do it at the nights and get the sleep that you need. And one thing that really, really matters is that don't make big schedules. Make your plans on daily basis or short terms like weeks. I usually use weeks because that's how things really work for me. I don't get too flabbergasted after that. The third thing that matters is the speed. There are people who learn things really quickly. There are other people who don't learn as quick as they do. And then there are third category which just don't learn things at all and they need to do it by revision on a lot of more things. Whichever category you fall into, your situation and your approach depends on that. So make sure that if you are on the third or maybe in the second category, you take one step at a time. Make daily goals and make sure that you complete today's goal first and then think about the rest of the things. Because short term plans, if they work for you, then the long terms will do as well. Obviously, make sure you get achievable targets every single day. Don't burden yourself one day and then have a break all day. That is just a very stupid way of dividing things. And if you're just doing three tasks or four tasks, it's totally fine. Affirmations work. Make sure you tell yourself that I can do these three things. That's why they are in the list. Because at the end of the day, it's the progress that matters. Take small steps today, but keep going towards the bigger goal tomorrow. Keep up the consistency and keep yourself updated all the time. Make sure you never give up because you can do it. Everyone can. It's no wrong in taking time in things where people don't. I mean, I don't understand things in one go and I take my time, and it's totally fine because at the end of the day, the point is to understand that thing. We all have time as long as we know how to use it. Make sure you don't slave up yourself by calling it a routine. Make it a to do list that, yes, I'm capable of this, so I will. Don't look for time, but make time. Make sure you are using your time wisely, going with your own speed, and reaching the finishing line with everybody else. Yes, you have to sacrifice a few things, but it's going to be totally worth it. So make sure you are doing it all because you want to and because you can. And if you need a structure to start with, there are going to be free templates in my description box for you to go for. So do check them out. There are going to be a lot of things because I would be including a lot of things into it. So if you don't want to do that part today, just skip it and use the rest of the template. I will see you guys next time, inshallah. Till then, take care, everyone. Allah Hafiz.